Guess the scrambled words with one hint internet terms. Are you ready? Let's go then. Question number 1. The hint is internet culture term. Meme. Expression of fondness. Like. Trendy or fashionable. Cool. Deep affection. Love. Social media entry. Post. Online journal. Blog. Web connection. Link. Network signal. Ping. Quick photo. That's right, it is snap. Online conversation. Chat. Question number 11. Social media updates. Feed. Element of flames. Fire. Stylish confidence. Swag. Tech enthusiast. Geek. Bookish individual. Nerd. Online provoker. Troll. Emotional atmosphere. Vibe. Programming script. Code. Animated image format. GIF. Virtual meeting tool. Zoom. Modify content. Edit. Video entertainment. Game. Unauthorized access. Hack. Automated software. Bot. Not genuine. Fake. Thank you for watching. You can get the printable version of this quiz. Link is in the description.